powerful soul. How are you today? Should I say, in this eternal, everlasting, effervescent, ever bright now moment? Yeah, sure, that's how I talk to people normally. Hello, powerful soul, nice to meet you in this ever-present, eternal now. Yeah, to be honest, the funniest I've gotten to that today would be at the checkout in Tesco saying, what did I say at the end? I said something funny. I said something like, damn, I forget. Something like big, massive thanks from my heart. Yeah, thank you for your generosity of spirit and kindness of heart. I said that today. I used to say that many years ago. But kind of getting a bit sidetracked of the video. I'm like, I'm just being my silly self. Palladian energy. But yeah. So yeah, in this video I want to talk about, apologies, my brake, my not my brake, my sensor. But yeah, in this video I want to talk about ding 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 ding. Yeah, how to know when you're detoxing. And I'd like to say it's when you crave basically obstructive things that like are a little bit more likely to be dry and get stuck in the body and leave a residue of stickiness or dehydration, and basically congeal and dehydrate the body and obstruct the flow and obstruct certain like proper interaction between cells. So obstructive food is addictive, stimulants are addictive. So let's say, for example, you're a raw vegan, which that's my diet the last week, and it has been on and off for many times, including cooked vegan too, and even just fruits only for almost a week, quite a lot of times too. So when I start to detox too much by not eating enough, which could be called intermittent fasting also, I crave like things to slow down my detox, such as usually be like, for example, avocado or like a nut and date bar or that type of thing. Today I had some oat bar, and I know oats aren't like the best, but you know, they're better than cooked food for sure. It's like raw oats with like raisins and apple pieces and, you know, date syrup or brown rice syrup. But if other times I could have cravings of like cooked starches, like potatoes, and like it could be long things along the lines of like, I know people who'd be craving like pizza, vegan pizza, and maybe even noodles, like basically just cooked starches. So cooked starches are much heavier than, like, in my opinion, than avocado, and much more addictive. And yeah, that's true. Much more obstructive and heavy, and slow down detox much more as a result. So let's say, for example, depends what diet you're moving from and how much rubbish and like sort of waste products and garbage you have in your body that's trying to be eliminated. So it depends what diet you're coming from and what you're on at the moment temporarily, or even just like switch to, you know. So a meat eater could crave like what they're used to. You also crave what you tend to be eliminating. So like, I've been doing a lot of cleaning for a long time. I've been vegan for almost 15 years. So like, I never craved meat. Like I've never craved meat. I did kind of crave fish like a long time ago, just on and off. I think I was emotionally stressed or detoxing too much, so it was really just something heavy and salty that I wanted, to be honest. And the frozen fish was like so oily as well. But yeah, I'm not into that, you know. Just whatever, who cares? I don't care, man. Like, I'm just saying, like, some people used to be judging. I'm not into the whole judging game. We're all do our best, and life's difficult, and we're not here to judge each other. We're we're supposed to be team workers. That's what I want to be, team workers. Like, to uplift each other and support each other through hard times, either through hard emotions or even hard cravings or hard slip-ups or falls, you know. But basically speaking, basic separate those few rarest of exceptions, one small period in my life. Yeah, my cravings would be just basically either starch or avocados or nut bars type of stuff, or even maybe almond milk, nut milk, something heavier. But yeah, it takes time. Like, the more you clean your intestines, the more you get rid of the rubbish, then the less you're detoxifying when you're eating lighter and saving energy, because detoxification happens anytime you save energy. The more energy you have, the more you detox, basically speaking. And I don't mean just overall general life energy, because that's a factor too, but I also just mean like energy in the moment or in the day, and that's affected by how heavy or how much we eat. Yeah, it's good to know like, why am I craving things? You're either not eating enough or eating too lightly and you're detoxing because you're saving energy. Yeah, a fruitarian, for example, might crave like anything I said, like raw vegan food, but probably not cooked vegan food, but sometimes cooked vegan food as well, for definite. It depends like how long you've been fruitarian for. At the beginning stages, definitely I've craved cooked food sometimes. I've at least been tempted with cooked food once it's been introduced to me, by smell and someone talking about it, or asking me what I like, someone with them to share, for example. So yeah, that's all I want to say, my friends. Hope this video helps. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And now I'm going to have some of my raw bar. Because another thing I noticed, like yesterday I ate a lot of oranges and the day before, and I ate lighter, so today I was like craving a bit more. I also got not enough sleep, so my energy level is down. That's another thing, when your energy level is down and when your energy is lower, you probably will crave more, you know. Sometimes we also crave food, but really we're actually thirsty, my friends. That's another factor that's pretty important too.